Billionaires don't buy yachts because they love luxury. They buy yachts because of control, privacy, and how wealth actually works at scale. This isn't about lifestyle, it's about strategy. From the outside, yacht ownership looks like pure indulgence, a symbol of excess, freedom, status. But at the ultra-wealthy level, almost every major purchase is intentional. Yachts are not exceptions. They are assets designed to solve very specific problems. Privacy is one of the most valuable commodities for the ultra-wealthy. Hotels, resorts, and private villas still expose movement, staff, and predictable patterns. A yacht creates a controlled, mobile environment. Limited access, known variables, no shared infrastructure. At a certain level of wealth, privacy alone justifies the cost. Yachts also offer something fixed assets cannot: mobility without compromise. The owner decides the location, the security, the crew, the schedule. No check-in times, no shared systems. Control replaces convenience. Yachts are rarely owned personally. They are held through companies, leasing structures, or charter programs. This allows costs to be allocated, usage to be optimized, and exposure to be managed. At this level, ownership is not emotional, it's structural. For billionaires, time is the most limited resource. A yacht removes friction. No logistics planning, no repeated security coordination, no constant transitions. Everything moves with the owner. That efficiency compounds over time. To most people, a yacht looks outrageously expensive, but extreme wealth changes the equation. Costs are evaluated relative to scale. When annual operating costs represent a small fraction of portfolio performance, the purchase stops looking irrational. This is why most people misunderstand yacht ownership. They see consumption. Billionaires see infrastructure, a floating system designed for privacy, control, and efficiency. Billionaires don't buy yachts to look rich. They buy them because, at a certain level of wealth, yachts make sense. Not as luxury, but as strategy. This is Yacht Ledger. Subscribe for real yacht ownership economics without the lifestyle noise.